So, we're unboxing the package that I received from my sister. So, no voiceover. So, here is the box I received from my sister. So, first one is this one. Let's see how it is. The inside of it, okay. Ta-da! It's chocolates, full of chocolates. Chocolates, and then the second one is full of makeup. Makeup? What is this? Correctors, lip gloss, blush. This. Correctors again, highlights, highlight primer, mascara. I don't use mascara. Okay, the lip tint. Lip tint. Lip gloss. Sorry for the noise. They are. Gosh, there's a lot of flowers. Eyeliner pencil. This is the blush. The brush. Sorry. Eye pencil eyeliner. This is the eye pencil eyeliner. Nail polish. Shimmering. Nail polish. And lip gloss with shimmering. Okay, so that's all. And see the other things in the box. So this is it. There's what is this? Rana Serment Ferrero. It's Ferrero. Then this one lipstick. Let's see how it is. I love it so much. I really love it. So I don't have to spend outside money. And I can use it. Let's see how to use this.